So we have lost one of the top competitors, Marquis Page of St. Jago. He was expected to figure prominently in the outcome.
On your mark.
The favorite there, Kai Kelly, is still in the contest.
Wait for the gun.
React, don't anticipate. It's tough. That's a tough loss for this final.
I would say that Marquis Page was practically guaranteed, to the extent that you can, a medal in this race. Kai Kelly is still the favorite, and I think would have won regardless of who is in the race.
We're getting ready again for the Class 2 boys 100-meter final.
Set.
The set position. This time they're away cleanly. Kelly got up pretty well, so too Kelly from St. Elizabeth Technical. Kai Kelly from Jamaica College puts his foot on the gas pedal now and goes away for the gold medal. His first year in Class 2. The Class 3 record breaker from last year is the gold medalist in Class 2 this time around in 10.28 seconds. 10:28. It's a new lifetime best for Kai Kelly of JC. 10:42 for the silver medalist Joshua Ricketts of Calabar. Bronze to Mario Ross of Woolworths in 10:44.
Yeah, so stepping up in class and showing his class, Kai Kelly, 10.29 in the semi-final. Win illegal, but this time around didn't get a great start. Slept in the blocks, and I guess a little bit of nerves played a part. Kelly from St. Elizabeth Technical, the best starter in the field today, but Kai Kelly reels them in. And on the outside, Ricketts of Calabar looks to have gotten through for second. Kai Kelly here under pressure, but maintains his composure. This kid is the real deal. Class 3 gold last year in a record time. Look at his focus. Look at that face. His eyes only on one thing. Top prize, number one. The man of the moment.